Before going on the road test, mark the sides of the tie rod next to the bracket. In the road test, if you are experiencing a lane change, we call that a pull. The adjustment will typically be 1/4 inch. If you are only experiencing a lane drift, the adjustment may be as little as 1/8 to 1/32 of an inch. Mark again the tie rod with a soapstone on the same side of the tie rod bracket before loosening the nuts on the U-bolts. And take note of how much the tie rod bracket moves. Retighten the nuts on the U-bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Mark the opposite side of the tie rod bracket and continue the road test to determine if there is still a pull or a drift. At this point, if the vehicle is pulling or drifting in the opposite direction, another adjustment is necessary. So loosen the nuts of the U-bolts again and move the bracket directly into the center of the two marks. Don't forget to tighten the U-bolts back to the recommended 20 foot-pounds of torque once you're done.